What is going on, guys? So, just wanted to give a quick update because the title of this video is accurate, right? I ended up selling almost everything except a few positions that I still think are good. So right now I literally ended up selling everything, right? I believe it was almost 300,000 plus in cash now again. But yeah, one that I ended up selling was SPCE. Kind of regret selling it right now because it's up $2 again, but again, it is what it is. So the only three positions or four positions that I still have, one is Wish, right? My average price on this is pretty low since I have been averaging down, and I think as a company they are undervalued. So this is for me a value stock that I don't mind holding, and I do long-term covered calls. So my average price on this is only 10.50 or 10.45 to be exact. So I just do covered calls at 10.50. So I'm really not too far off. I'm only 9% away. So again, not too bad. The other one I have is AMC. Now, do I believe in this company long term? No, I don't. Not even close, right? You guys can see it's dropping. It's down another 10% today. So why am I holding this, right? Right now I only have 400 shares, and like I said, the maximum I would put into this would be 500 shares. So why would I have 500 shares of a company that I think would go down? Well, I don't really care if it goes down or up, to be honest, because on average, right, every single week per 100 shares, I make almost $400. So if you think about that, that's like off of the average price it cost me. Around 10% every single week. Now, obviously, if I do this 10 times, so 10 weeks or in 2.5 months, I'm break even, right? Now, obviously, there's different risk factors involved because I was only can do the price up. So again, if it shoots up past that, obviously I lose that. However, I don't think it's going to happen. Plus, I can always buy back my 100 shares whenever I want to. But yeah, so right now, 400 of those every single week, right? That's basically bringing me in around $1,500 every week. So every single month, I have $6,000, which is exactly what I need. I think I need a 5-7 every single month just to like cover my stuff. So AMC literally takes care of it, so I don't mind holding this. I don't really care up, down, side to side. Doesn't matter to me. Do whatever they want, right? And again, I'm waiting for that lower low, I think into the 20s, for me to buy my last 100 shares and then call it good. But from that point on, the only other one I have is American Airlines. And honestly, the reasoning behind this stock is basically it's American Airlines, right? The percentage for it to go down is not as high, really, right? Because even from lows right here, right, or there we go. Gotta get that line. Yep. Right. I'm looking at another 17, 18% at the very, very most, which I also don't think it's really going to happen. However, already to highs, 31 highs, 68%, or if we just go off the actual highs, 41%, right? Plus, I can always average down because my positions, I only have 200 shares of this. It's nothing at all compared to my account size. So I don't have an issue holding that. So yeah, those are the only four stocks that I have left holding. And currently I'm just day trading SQQQ. Been getting in and out of that. The first time I got in was at around 836. And so I've just kind of been dealing with that. But besides that, right now I'm giving it about a week to 2 weeks break. I'm not really doing too much. My main focus is going to be on SQs and kind of watching for stocks that give good deals, like PTON right now, right on the day. It's already up on the day by a total of 2.5%. If we look at the 180-day chart, we can see that where it's at now, currently to all-time highs, it's around a 33% return, um, or even more, 46% return. So again, not bad. However, it can continue to drop another 30%. So again, take it how you want it, but right now they're currently on the uptrend again. Do I think it's going to last? No, I think the next 1 to 2 weeks are going to be very bloody in the market. Hence, again, why I am kind of keeping my distance, right? It's July 19th right now. Basically, that means that, yeah, 2 weeks left until August. And then from that point on, I'm going to my place in Costa Rica anyways, which is going to be nice because it'll give me a chance to relax, recover, and kind of plan my next thing. So I will most likely be getting back in after the first week of August. Give myself 3 weeks and see how much I can make then in the month of August. But yeah, that's kind of my game plan right now because I don't think the Fed's going to let the market really crash. However, I do think there's a pullback potential for 10 to 15%. And obviously, if you go down 10 to 15%, you don't just go up another 10 to 15% and you break even. No. If you go down 10%, you're looking at around a 20 or 30% in order to get back up to break even. So I don't want to miss out on that opportunity, right? Because let's say, for example, let's do SPCE. Yeah, that's a good one. So let's do that one. Let's say, okay, this stock right now, $30. Actually, no, because it's a hype stock. Let's do Roku. So right now, Roku highs at 486, and right now it's at 393. So again, if it pulls back to like right around here, that is a total of, again, another 30% pullback, right? Which basically means, okay, that then from here to here, I would be making a 77% return compared to a 22% return. So I get an extra 50% return, which obviously I'd want to take. So yeah, I'm just waiting for things to become available, hence why I'm all cash, or almost all cash. I think I have a total of maybe 20,000 invested currently right now, at the very most, if even can actually check. But yeah, so again, not much going on investing. Yeah, I have 30,000 invested right now, so it's not a lot. It's about 10% of my portfolio size, and yeah, I'm kind of just waiting, seeing what it's gonna do. And besides that, it's gonna give me a nice time to finish up all my other stuff that I've been meaning to finish doing, as well as kind of reevaluate, take a nice break, because sometimes just taking a step back and being, okay, let me look at this from a different perspective can really help you, because I've been having really great months, but then I've also been having super bad days. So, right, it's like, so I would have a $19,000 day, which would be amazing. And then I would go back to like my 1 to 2K days, and then I would lose like 10 in a day, which would basically be like my previous week's work. But then again, you can't complain because I had a $19,000 day. But again, it still sucks, right? I would rather have consistent 1 to 2K days, which would be around 10,000 a week, 40,000 a month. Then basically have a $19,000 day, and then a week of basically 1 to 2K days, and then I would lose 10K one day, make another 1K, lose 5K, right? So again, I just want to take a step back, really get back to the basics, kind of brush up on some things. And yeah, that's basically my plan. Besides that, I don't really have much more. So yeah, that's why I decided to actually sell almost all of my shares. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, the reasoning why. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Don't forget to click the link down below for all the free stuff I hand out. And yeah, peace out, guys.